If you're bugging out on foot, make sure you try and stay on major highways for the first couple of days for easiest travel and avoidance of the smaller cities along the way. Major highways tend to go through smaller hills and you'll experience much less elevation gain and loss than secondary roads, making traveling by foot much easier and faster. Also, highways typically go over top and around smaller towns, which is what you want. Don't get off any exits or enter the towns for any reason. Your grocery carts full of supplies will definitely make you a target. If you cross paths with others on the highway after day 3, don't engage in conversation. While traveling the first few days, be sure to find a good spot to camp well before dusk. If you wait until it's too late, you may end up on a section of highway that is too populated. You also want to have plenty of time to gather firewood, eat, set up camp, and be in your blankets just as it gets dark.